Top 5 programming languages to use in 2023. 1. Python. It is an open-source language and it supports an extensive set of libraries, frameworks, IDEs, and tools such as Django, Flask, CherryPy, TensorFlow, Pandas, PyTorch, and many others. 2. JavaScript. It is one of the major technologies in front-end development used for the creation of dynamic and interactive web content. 3. C#. Microsoft has developed C# language as an alternative to C and C++. It's an object-oriented general-purpose language that mainly runs on the .NET platform. C# has a broad application. It's used for building Windows, Android, iOS, and cross-platform applications. 4. Java. Software developers use Java to build diverse applications, including web applications, big data apps, mobile apps, enterprise-level solutions, games, and much more. 5. Swift. It is a powerful open-source programming language primarily used for Apple product development, including iOS, iPadOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.